How to install programs using Linux command line. Are you curious about how to install programs using the Linux command line? You've come to the right place. Let's break it down step by step so you can get started with ease. Installing software on Linux primarily involves using a package manager. This is a tool that automates the process of installing, upgrading, configuring, and removing software packages. Different Linux distributions use different package managers, so it's important to know which one you're working with. For instance, Debian-based distributions like Debian, Ubuntu, and Linux Mint use the advanced package tool system with .deb package files. On the other hand, Red Hat-based distributions such as Fedora and CentOS use the Yellowdog Updater modified or dandified yum package managers with .rpm package files. Arch Linux has its own package manager called Pacman, which uses its own package format. Most Linux distributions maintain software repositories. These are centralized servers that host packages tested and configured for your specific distribution. Using the package manager to install from these repositories ensures that everything is compatible and handles any dependencies automatically. If you are using a Debian-based system, here's how you can install software. First, you need to update the package list to get the latest information about available software. You can do this by typing the command sudo apt update. After that, you can install the desired program by name using the command sudo apt install program name. For example, if you want to install Audacity, you would type sudo apt install Audacity. Remember, this command requires administrative privileges, so you use sudo to run it as the superuser. The package manager will then download the program along with any necessary dependencies and install them for you. Sometimes, you might have a package file that you downloaded manually, like a .deb file. You can install it directly using the command sudo dpkg I package file deb. If you find that some dependencies are missing after this, you can fix them by running sudo apt install. If you ever need to remove software, you can do that easily too. To uninstall a program, you would use the command sudo apt remove program name. This will remove the program but keep its configuration files. If you want to remove the program, along with its configuration files, you can use sudo apt purge program name. For a quick recap of the commands for Debian-based systems, here they are. Update package list, sudo apt update. Install program, sudo apt install program name. Remove program, sudo apt remove program name. Remove program and config, sudo apt purge program name. Install from .deb file, sudo dpkg I package file deb. Now, if you are using a Red Hat-based distribution, the commands will be slightly different. For example, to install a program, you would use sudo dnf install program name, and to remove it, you would use sudo dnf remove program name. Using the command line to install programs is especially useful for servers that do not have graphical interfaces. It allows for automation of software installation through scripts and makes managing software on multiple machines much easier. This method of installation is quite different from what you may be used to on other operating systems like Windows or macOS, where software is typically installed through graphical installers or app stores. The Linux command line offers greater control and transparency over software management. So, whether you are updating software, installing new applications, or managing your system, using the Linux command line can be a powerful tool in your computing arsenal.